Hi everyone, thanks so much for pressing play. I hope we're all well. I'm going to get straight into this one because there's quite a lot I want to cover. But it's basically tying in my prediction date of 13th of July this year being really significant as it links in with the 1974 release of the movies Earthquake, Towering Inferno. So the Towering Inferno we've already had in the Grenfell fire being referred to that. Grenfell Tower fire. 29 days from the date of that happening, which was 14th of June, I believe. 29 days from that will be the 13th of July. So that's why I think that's a significant date to look for. So I wanted to just look at the San Andreas movie, because that's the more recent earthquake film, set in Los Angeles, of course, and the time difference of the release of that and the 13th of July. Okay, and it had two release dates, one in LA 2 days before the worldwide one. And that's a cheeky 9/11. You've got 7 plus 2 with the 9, 9 plus 2 being the 11. So they did a cheeky 9/11 just by spreading it out slightly with the 2 days. So I wanted to just look at the date difference between the first release date, the LA one, and the 13th of July, excuse me, for this year. So we have, there we go, that's the main one, 778 days, 2 years, 1 month, 16 days. So we'll just start with those for now. Going just onto the 29th one that they chose for worldwide, 2 plus 9 being the 11, timesing it by the month, which is 5, 55, 5 times 5 being 25, 2 plus 5 being that 7 again, God numbers, 7, 4 plus 3 being the 7. Also then the year you can get 4, 5 plus 1 is 6, take 2 from 6, you got 4. I've just done a little how that is a sort of a 7, 4 is got a 7 hidden in it always, with those 3 lines, which goes back into my other video. 1, 2 and then 3, so that's a 4, but also the 7 in the blue, and 7 and 4 being 11 of course. So again the 2 towers, positive and negative. But anyway, straight back into the, so we've got the 2, 1, 1, 6 there, 2 years, 1 month, 16 days. So I just looked at that. I mean, that could already be 66, because 6 times 11 is 66. But I just looked firstly at having it as 28, so that being just 8, so it comes to just 28 then, that bit being 28, or yeah, sorry, just 8. So then you've got 28, 2 times 8 being 16, 1 plus 6 being 7 of course again, so you've got the 7. 2 divided by 8, 0.25, 2 plus 5 being 7. Okay, and then the second way of doing it there, so 2 or 11 times 6 is 66. 2 times 66 is 132. Adding all those up together is 6 of course. 2 3s. 2 divided by 6, sorry, 2 divided by 66, you get 0.03030303 recurring. Constant, it'll be a constant recurring 3030. Very interesting. So then I carried it on and looked at 2, 1 and then 7. So keeping that 2, keeping that 1, 1 plus 6 being the 7. So having 2, 1, 7. 2 times 17 is 34, 3 and 4 being 7 again of course. Also there 2 plus the 1 being 3 times 7, 21. 2 and 1 being 3. 3 sevens, 21. You go back around again. 3 sevens, 7, 7, 7. That's just again, yeah, a reminder of that. 3, 7. But also, 217 times 21 times 7 is 147. Highest break you can get in snooker. That's not a coincidence either. Snooker's proper Freemason game. Plus the mirror, 741, 888. So that's the time difference in years, months and days. 778 days. Okay. I mean, that just on its own, to be honest, 778. Okay. Then we've got 77 divided by 8. 9625. 9.625, sorry, that is. Nine by itself, 3 threes on that side. 6 plus 2 plus 5 being 13. 13th of July. 9 times 13 being 117. So that's your 77 again. 11 times 7. Also 7 divided by 78. You get that number, which again is a block. See that block there? That's your overlap. 8 plus 5 being 13. Where it overlaps, it will keep going. That's your block of 8, 9, 7, 4, 3, 5. 8, 9, 7, 4, 3, 5. Adding those all up together, you get 36. All of those together, up to the line. Crossover being 13. 1 plus 3 being 4. Or the 7 hidden in it. Also 8 divided by 77, you get that number, which again is another code pattern, because the sequence starts there, 103896, 103896, 103896, it keeps going. There the crossover is 6 and 1, that equals 7. You've got 13 for the crossover that way, 7 for the crossover this way. And also under there, showing how they add up to 13 again. So 13th of July, time with the 8, 9, 6, anti-time. 13th, time, anti-time, 13. It will keep going like that. So that's 8 divided by 77, 7 divided by 78. That's how many days difference it is for the San Andreas movie to the 13th of July. So there you're getting those numbers, 13, 8, 96 again. You're also getting 11, 9, 7s, 3 8s and 7s. I've shown just how there you get the top bit. So that's just the 11, 9, 6 and 1 being 7. Then you've got the 8 and the 3 again, 11, 9, 7. So we'll just keep going like that. Or underneath you've got as well, so just 10 by itself. Then 3, 17, 7, 3, 1, 7, 7, 3, 1, 7, 7. Because you've got 18 there. 9 and 8 being 17, 1 plus 7 being 8. So you kind of got a 3, 8, 7, 3, 8, 7 thing going on as well. But yeah, just going back to that 3, 1, 7, 7, 1. It's there with the 3, 9 and 8, being 17, 1 plus 7 being 8. Also there, if you've kept that as 17, 6 plus 1, the next one is 7. So you could have just 3, 1, 7, 7 as well if you wanted, by keeping the 17. It's pretty crazy. The hours, just checking the hours. So again, release date, San Andreas movie to the 13th of July. Hours 18672. There we go. Just quickly there. 1 and 8 that side being 9. That added together is 15. 1 plus 5 being 6. 96. Just a very quick one on the hours. But this is the main one. I couldn't believe this next one for hours. Sorry, for weeks and days. You've probably seen it already, but weeks and days. 4 ones, 4 lines. 4 lines. And that's the bit that ties in and synchronizes with Zenith of the Alpha America video that he did today. He did it actually last night, but had to redo it. I hadn't seen it until today, so all of this I'd pre-written already yesterday to record today, and it includes something that he's already put in a video. 4 lines. So yeah, I couldn't believe that bit, because it's 111 weeks and 1 day. And there's a whole video about, very short video, but very to the point, about 4 lines in Zeniths, which is where this video completely ties in with it. And I've just done a little bit there of how I've looked at 4 lines as well, and because it's skull and bones, but I don't want to get into that bit too much on this part, because I'm still just talking about the date difference of San Andreas. I don't want to confuse it with other things, but I'll do that in a separate video. But it's just, that is no coincidence at all. It never is with numbers. And yeah, 4, it's obviously 4. So again, you can just do that 4 with the 7. But because you've got 4 lines instead of 3, I've shown how you can do 7 and 4 with 3 lines. You've got 1 line there, 1 line, and then 3, 4. And it's that hourglass, and how that could be being turned on its side. Is it going to be like a pole shift sort of style, the whole world's flipping? But yeah, and it's like, so that ties in completely with Zenith's video of Alpha of America, of the 4 lines. And that he's shown already how 4 lines is 47 in reduced gematria. Time is also 47 in ordinal. The Roman numeral for 47 as a Roman numeral is XLV11, which I saw as the 2 lines, adding to those ones that are already there. 1, 2. You've kind of got your 2 4s. Then if you also turn that round a bit more, you've got your 7 in the middle. 4, 7, 4. And as well how XLV11, putting that as a Roman numeral XLV11 in gematria, it gets you 211 in Jewish ordinal, which is the 47th prime number. And also just following on from here, there are 8 lines in total for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 connected, 2 separate. So the 2 separate being the towers. To 6 lines. You could do 6 lines like 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just adding those 2 red lines to the 7, 7, 7. You can kind of see how that's 4, 7, 4. Which is also 11, 11. 7 plus 4 either side. 4 lines. 4 lines again. 4 lines for the release date of San Andreas to the 13th of July. I'm going to follow it on because it's 15 minutes long already, but there's some more for this, so thanks so much. Take care for now.